Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the SALOMON XT-6 in the Quarry colorway. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that like button, we want to see those thumbs up, and drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. Now let's get into this. So this is the first time we're having a look at Salomon sneakers or trainers, whatever you want to call them. And for those that don't know, Salomon, they specialize in outdoors activities. They're built for all those kind of hiking and exploring. They were made in the French Alps, so there was a lot of snow. So obviously these are built for that harsh winter conditions. Let's get into this. So we have a look at the XLT6, and we got this in the Quarry colorway, and we got it in a UK size 8. It's a European 42, and it's a US men's 8.5. Now I'm quite excited to have a look at these. I've been seeing a lot of ads on my Instagram of Salomon and loads of places like Dover Street Market and Harriet Offspring and Goodhood. They all supply, I think Goodhood too. Correct me if I'm wrong, I think Goodhood, but I know Dover Street and they supply Salomon. And the fact that those big giants in menswear supply it, it just shows that there's a trend setting in Salomon sneakers, kind of the hiking gear. You're seeing a lot of people wearing, especially now here in the UK. Ever since lockdown, the only activities you can do are walks outside. So people have been grabbing their boots and exploring the forests, which is a shame because you can try these. Honestly, let me open it up. And you could wear these bad boys when you're going hiking. The main reason why I'm really excited to review these sneakers is I want to try them outside, and I've seen so many celebrities actually wear them as a trend. I saw ASAP Nast, I believe, and I've seen Rihanna. She was wearing some Salomons, but this was ages ago, so just before she signed to Puma, I believe. But there's a lot here going on and it looks great. I can already tell that it's a great sneaker for running. And let's start with the outsole. So with that outsole, it is made out of a contour grip technology. So it's all rubber, but you got all these chevrons. It's a outward lug. All the patternings, all that tread is there for your stability. It's there for releasing your feet off the whatever soft ground surfaces. And it's just built for running, basically. I mean, these sneakers were built for athletes to do long distance running in the forests. I can already see that it's built for the outdoors. Going on into the midsole, so it's got a dual density midsole that combines two different densities, as the name would suggest. And this midsole provides great cushioning and support for your underfeet. As you move along to the upper, there's a lot of TPU, and the whole single upper is actually made out of mesh along with the TPUs. So you can see the mesh here with that nice grey colorway, very neutral, kind of style with anything. I love grey. I've always rave on about grey sneakers. The TPU plastic that covers the majority of the sneaker, you can see it on the heel, medial side, lateral side as well. It's all there just for the extra protection, any abrasion that you face when you're experiencing the harsh winter or the environment whilst you're running. We move along onto the lace unit, and it's a quick lace system. All you have to do is pull it up to loosen it, pull it down to tighten it, and just slip it on. That's how so easy, no loop-to-loops or anything, no difficulties. Just put your feet in, tighten it, you're done. The whole sneaker is an endo fit, so it's similar to like a Huarache system where you put in your feet and it hugs your whole feet. You look into the insole, it's got the ultralight insole. It's there again for your cushioning, mixed in with the dual density. Brilliant. That's all you want. You want cushion, you want that support on your underfoot, as well as the ruggedness of the outsole. As I mentioned, this is kind of the trend I'm seeing nowadays. People are wearing their hiking boots, they're wearing hiking sneakers. Mostly because of the pandemic, you've shone a light onto these brands such as Nike ACG, Salomon, you're seeing Napayeri, North Face. Loads of people are doing outdoor activities now. What better way to start your outdoor walks, I'd say, with a great sneaker like this. Tell me what you think. I really can't wait to try these on. So roll out footage of me trying them on. First off, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. I am a UK size 8, which happens to be a European 42, and it's the right size. My toes are just where I need it to be. There, not very at the top. And again, I am quite surprised. These are really comfy. I feel very stable, well balanced because of the outsole. And not much more else I can say, but I was really surprised. I was thinking that these weren't going to be as comfortable as they are. I highly suggest and recommend that if you are able to buy a pair of Salomons, get them. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on the Instagram account. Until next time, peace.